Okay everyone, here we are. I'm just going to open this up and check it out. Wow, this is actually a lot smaller than I thought. Look at that. It is a lot smaller than I expected, so this will be very discreet, especially in the vehicle so that people can't really see that you're recording. We'll have to test it out in the car and just see what it looks like. It's actually got quite a bit of weight to it, so it feels a little hefty and more quality than ones I've had before, which only lasted about a week. So we'll have to see and test this out and see how it mounts. So here's everything it comes with. You have again the adapter to put it in the lighter to power it, also your USB cord, your power cord, and the Garmin itself. Also it has an extra, looks like an extra thing to remount if you have to mount again in the future. Again, it's a very hefty unit, which is actually very good, and I really like the size. But now we're going to go out and test it and see how it works. Here's where I've mounted the dash cam, the Garmin 46. I'll get some footage for you and show it to you. Okay, so what do I think of the Garmin Dashcam 46? It's a good little dash cam. It definitely comes in handy when driving. Now, the only thing I would suggest is that you would want to have this hardwired to take advantage of the park mode. That way, if your vehicle is hit in the middle of the night or in a parking lot, it'll catch that, so it'll save you a lot of money. All in all, the Dashcam 46 by Garmin is a great unit. Definitely a recommended purchase.